As the tower breaks, our fool sits over there feeling completely as though empty. He comes across a beautiful girl and he drinks from the pool over there and he eats the fruit over there. He is looking for guidance, and this beautiful girl, she asks him to have hope and to follow his star. The star card, my dear friends, is about regaining hope. It is about being inspired. It is about feeling relaxed and calm and serene. Also about receiving guidance and being hopeful. Even if all feels empty and gone, there is still hope, for the future still remains. That is what the star card tells us.